Now that you have recorded your video, edited as per your need, and exported as per YouTube guidelines, created an eye-catching thumbnail and included an image screen, and you are ready to upload your first video. I'm going to show you step-by-step process how to upload your first video, and I'm also going to show you how to speed up your uploading process. Hey guys, my name is Krishna Shrestha with PerspecTube, and let's get started. Before we jump into the uploading process, here are some factors that might decrease the speed of your uploading process, and I'm going to show you how to solve them as well. The first one is optimize your video file size. Ensure that you export your video as an .mp4 file format from your video editor, like iMovie, Final Cut Pro, or Premiere Pro, or CapCut. This format is more efficient for YouTube. Select the HEVC, which is f.256 codec in your export setting. This compresses your video in a high quality without sacrificing your video quality. Make sure that your export frame rate matches the frame rate that you recorded in, which avoid unnecessary file size increases. Second point is improve your internet connection. For this, if you can plug your computer directly to a router using Ethernet cable for a more stable and faster internet connection. You can also turn off Wi-Fi on other devices to free up upload bandwidth. While uploading, don't use the internet on same device for streaming, for downloading, or for watching YouTube video. Last one is schedule your uploads. Try uploading late at night or early in the morning when few people are using the internet. Upload your video and set it to publish at later time. This way you can benefit from faster uploading speed without needing to be present. Now that you are ready to upload your first ever video, here is how to upload a video to YouTube and enable the best settings to maximize the reach for the YouTube algorithm. To start, let's go to youtube.com. Once you are signed in, look in the upper right hand corner. You will see a camera icon with a plus sign. Click on it and select upload video. This will take you to the YouTube Studio. Here in this YouTube Studio, you will have a couple of options. You can click on select file to browse and choose the video file that you want to upload from the computer. Or you can simply drag the video file directly onto the browser window. Once you release the file, it will start uploading to your YouTube channel automatically. There are a couple of steps to be completed. First, let's focus on the written section. The initial step involves fine-tuning your video titles. The default title will be your video file name. You have the option to delete your default title and customize according to your need. This is crucial as it sets the tone for what your video is about and plays a significant role in attracting more viewers. Once you have got your title sorted out, the next step is to focus on your video description. Right now, it is loading my default template. You can set your default description in your settings, which means every time you upload a new video, it will automatically attach those descriptions. This saves a lot of time because you won't have to rewrite each time when you upload the video. If you are looking for a template similar to the one I use, you can find it with the video card over here, or I have also added the link in the description box below. It is really handy for making sure your video descriptions are well consistent and well organized. At the top line of the description, I typically include a keyword-rich sentence designed to boost the video's visibility in the search result. Following that, it's common to add a call to action. This might direct viewers to a playlist, an affiliate link, or promote a sponsor. Placing these elements prominently help viewers engage right from the start. Initially, you don't have to put too much in the description, but if you want, you can add details like a link to your social media. Just a little further down, you can see where you can pick your thumbnail. Simply click on the designated button. From there, you can browse through your files to select the perfect image. Once you have found the right one, click open to upload it as your video thumbnail. After your video has been fully uploaded and processed, you'll also be presented several screens to grab as a thumbnail. Remember that the effective choice is the one you have specifically designed for your video. At the bottom left corner, you can hover over that area to check if all the necessary indicators are completed, indicating when the video has finished processing. This is crucial for the viewers who may want to watch the video in 4K format if you have uploaded in the 4K resolution. Once the upload is complete, you will receive the confirmation. Moving from the thumbnail section, you also have the option to assign the video to a playlist. You can select an existing playlist or create a new one right from there. This feature helps in organizing your content and making it easier for the viewers to navigate to the related videos. Under the playlist area and below the audience option, you need to make a selection whether your video is made for kids or not. There are specific regulations for content intended for the children compared to content for adults. Again, Again, this is loading from our default template. I'll let it be as a default. Additionally, you must indicate if there is any paid promotion included in the video or not. In this case, we'll select no, as there are no brand deals, sponsorship, or any paid promotions associated with this video. I prefer to keep all these settings selected accordingly. Another crucial step is setting up a video related tags. In the tag sections, you should brainstorm keywords that people commonly search for, which are relevant to your video content. This helps optimizing your video for searchability on YouTube. I also recommend including your name and channel name as a tag. This practice helps establishing a consistency across your video, potentially increasing their chances of being recommended alongside with one another. Scrolling further down, there are a few other optional fields where you can add details such as locations or dates, depending on the context of your video. Next step, you can choose to add music licensing, subtitles, and in screens. Typically, I prefer adding an in-screen from here since we are not using any YouTube music. If you have a music from source like Epidemic Sound, there is no need to add it over here. If you are interested in learning more about how to create and upload in-screen, we have a dedicated separate video for that. I'll keep the link in the description box below. There are several options available over here, so feel free to experiment before hitting the save. Finally, let's navigate to the visibility settings. This is where you decide whether your video will be public, private, or on listing. If you want to post your video immediately, then click on public and then say publish. Making a private, only you are the person to access that video. And making unlisted, you can share the video with a link. For scheduling, use a drop-down arrow to select a specific date and time for your video to go live. If you are not ready to publish it, you can keep it private or unlisted. Private means only you and those with your login information can view it, while unlisted allows anyone with the link to watch it. For example, if you want to share your video with the friends and family without making it public, then unlisted is a great option. I'll set mine to public for now. Then hit the save button. This action takes you back to your content dashboard where your all videos are in the background. If you want to optimize your channel and load the default descriptions, click on the video top over here. And if you want to check full playlists from how to start a YouTube channel to how to create a YouTube banner, then you can check on this playlist over here. If you like this video, click on the like icon. Also hit the bell icon to get notified for my future videos. Until then, stay creative.